So I want to give Melanie Carter on our team credit for creating this. This is Programs, and Programs works like this. So think of it this way. You have what you call a BRE program. And that program, as you see, think of it as sitting on top of these other record types and others, which you're about to see. But in a BRE program, we have companies that are local companies that we meet with, and we have contacts at those companies. Off to the right, we have our annual BRE meetings. These would be a component of the program. Any assistance tickets would be a component, and any retention expansion projects would be a component. The cool thing about HubSpot is you're able to add other record types here as well. So another type of record, for example, might be something called a survey, or another type might be an incentive program or a grant, right? Anything designed for those local companies. So what we do is, if you have the right licenses, we can come in and create a brand new custom object that would live under the CRM menu down here under programs, right? Oh, by the way, this program can be part of a larger project, and your larger project could be your strategic plan. So projects is new too. We'll release a video on that later. Let's take a look and see how programs work. So over here, we've defined the program and the year, the owner. We have different pipelines. So we can set these stages. Are we planning this out for next year? Are we in the middle of implementing this? Is it active, like it's really ready to go, or inactive, close, complete, different stages, right? We have a start date and an end date, and we can even define what reporting metrics are important to us along with program types. In this case, we have community programs, workforce development, BRE, you name the program, we can add it here. So now when we look to the right, there's a lot of work that goes into this, but these are the components. So over here we have these three. But what's neat about this is now we can track our assistance tickets here, right? We can track our annual BRE visits here as well. And so again, these are rolling up over to the larger program. One of our clients asked for community interaction because the BRE person, she goes out just networking in the community, eating at restaurants, going to stores, just her daily life. She engages with business owners, and it wasn't an assistance ticket. It wasn't an annual visit, but it was something else. So we've created another type of record for her there. This is actually a ticket record in disguise. That's the way this technically works behind the scene. Another, they wanted external events. So if she goes to a networking event or ribbon cutting, she can track that here as part of a BRE program. She can also identify the companies she's attempting to get in front of for BRE meetings. Also, any expansion retention projects would be here. And as you can see, we've got a total of 6 tickets, 2, 3, and 1. All these tickets roll up here under the broad general category of tickets, where they're all grouped together. So now we can say we've done 6 tickets as part of our BRE program. And of course, any documents or attachments that you want here. By the way, this video is being recorded using Content Hub and HubSpot's native video creation tool. So no longer do you have to pay for a video tool. If you've got HubSpot Content Pro, you have it right here. So content, videos, and then you'll be able to create videos right here.